Stock the bar, a toast to understanding. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, stock the bar. Whether you're planning a party or simply curious about this common English expression, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and explore what it means to stock the bar. When we say, stock the bar, we're talking about supplying a bar with all the alcoholic beverages, mixers, and accessories needed to serve drinks. Think of it like filling up your pantry with food, but in this case, it's all about preparing your bar with drinks and tools for a party or a gathering. The term comes from the idea of a stockroom or a storage area where goods are kept. To stock something means to fill it up with supplies. Combine this with bar, a place where drinks are served, and you've got yourself a phrase that's all about getting your drink serving station ready for action. So, how do you stock a bar? You'll need a variety of spirits, like vodka, rum, and whiskey. Don't forget the mixers like soda, tonic water, and juice. And of course, you'll need glasses, ice, cocktail shakers, and other bar tools. It's about having everything on hand to mix up whatever your guests might request. Interestingly, stock the bar has taken on a new life as a type of party. A stock the bar party is a gathering where guests bring bottles of liquor, bar tools, or other items to help someone build up their home bar. It's a fun way to celebrate and help a friend increase their bar supplies, often for a new home or a wedding. I hope this has been an enlightening look at what it means to stock the bar. Whether you're throwing a stock the bar party or just want to be prepared for any occasion, you're now equipped with the knowledge to do it right. Cheers to that, and see you in the next video.